SoFi is a mobile app that's generating a lot of buzz in the personal finance space. But before you consider downloading it, there are a few things you need to know. While it offers some competitive features, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone, especially when compared to other finance apps. Let's dive into the details. First off, SoFi provides a wide range of financial services, from budgeting tools to investment accounts, which makes it an all-in-one app. But this can also be overwhelming for users looking for something simpler or more focused, like Mint or YNAB, which specialize in budgeting and expense tracking. SoFi's broad service offering can seem a bit unfocused at times. Next, SoFi has a user-friendly interface, making it relatively easy to navigate. But while it's sleek, some users report that it can feel a bit clunky or slow compared to apps like Robinhood or Acorns, which have more streamlined designs tailored specifically for investing. The third thing to consider is SoFi's investing features. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies, making it a decent choice for beginner investors. However, if you're a seasoned investor, you might find the options limited compared to other platforms like E-Trade or TD Ameritrade, which offer more advanced tools and features. Next, SoFi offers its own credit card with cashback rewards. The rewards are competitive, but if you're looking for a more robust credit card offering, apps like Chase or American Express may offer more valuable rewards programs. The fifth thing to know is SoFi's fee structure. While the app itself is free to use, some of its financial products, like personal loans or mortgages, come with fees that can add up. This makes it less ideal for users who prefer fee-free services like those offered by other mobile finance apps. The sixth thing to consider is SoFi's mobile app security. While they use standard encryption to protect your data, it doesn't have the same level of biometric authentication as some other financial apps, like Apple Wallet or PayPal, which may be important for users looking for top-tier security. Next, SoFi offers some solid educational resources, particularly for new investors. They provide free financial planning tools and tips, but they might not be as comprehensive as those available from specialized investment platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront, which have personalized financial advice. The eighth thing is the cashback rewards SoFi provides with their credit card. You can earn cash back on every purchase, but the categories are fairly limited. If you're someone who wants more flexibility or a higher rate of return, there are apps like Capital One or Citi that might offer a better experience in this area. The ninth thing to consider is SoFi's loan options. While they offer personal loans and mortgages with competitive rates, their loan products might not be as customizable as others, like those from Lending Club or Marcus by Goldman Sachs, which give you more flexibility in how you structure your loan. The 10th thing is SoFi's customer service. While they do offer 24/7 support, some users report longer than expected response times. In comparison, apps like Mint and Personal Capital have a better reputation for quick and responsive customer service. Next, if you're looking for a comprehensive retirement planning tool, SoFi has a 401k and IRA option, but their retirement features aren't as robust as some of the other industry leaders like Fidelity or Vanguard, which offer more extensive retirement planning tools and low-cost options. The 12th and final thing to consider is SoFi's interest rates on savings and investment accounts. While they're competitive, you can sometimes find better rates elsewhere, particularly with apps like Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs, which often offer higher interest rates on savings accounts. So is SoFi worth it? It definitely has its advantages, offering a broad range of financial services under one roof. But if you're after more specialized or higher quality services in any particular area, you might want to consider alternatives. If you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.